Welcome to the Daintree Rainforest, one of the most ancient and biologically rich ecosystems on Earth. In today's adventure, I'm heading deep into the heart of far North Queensland to explore this living time capsule, where the rainforest meets the reef, and nature tells the stories millions of years old. Hi, I'm Peter. I create inspiring travel guides to help you travel smarter and with confidence. If this sounds like your thing, then hit the subscribe button as to never miss any future adventures. I've left links in the description to assist you planning your trip to this fascinating part of the world, and as usual, I've listed essential travel tips at the end, so be sure to watch this entire video. I kick off my journey in Cairns, a vibrant little city that feels like the unofficial capital of tropical Queensland. From Cairns, it's about an hour's drive north to our destination. Winding along the coast, past beachside townships and pristine stretches of sand, before reaching the edge of the Daintree Rainforest, and that's when the real adventure begins. This rainforest is truly one of a kind. At around 180 million years old, the Daintree is one of the oldest continually surviving tropical rainforests on the planet, even older than the Amazon. It's home to thousands of plant species, hundreds of birds, reptiles and mammals, many found nowhere else. Some of these species have been here since the time of the dinosaurs. Being here feels like a step back in time. Cape Tribulation is where two World Heritage Wonders meet, the ancient rainforest and the Great Barrier Reef. It's remote, untouched and absolutely breathtaking. Walking along the beach, with the jungle on one side and the coral waters on the other, it's wild, raw and completely unforgettable. A little further north, I visited Wujal Wujal Falls, a sacred place to the Kuku Yalanji people. It's more than just a beautiful waterfall, it's a site of deep cultural significance. Hearing stories direct from traditional owners gave me a powerful sense of just how connected this land is to its people, past and present. Cowie Beach is rugged, windswept and full of life. The Madja Boardwalk is a great place to spot crabs, mudskippers and all sorts of little creatures. This is proper wild Australia, where the forest spills into tidal flats, and you're definitely reminded to keep an eye out for crocodiles. No swimming here. Now this spot, Emmagen Creek, is a hidden gem. Fresh water and crocodile free, and surrounded by jungle, it's one of the few safe swimming holes in the Daintree River. and the water is crystal clear. It's peaceful, refreshing, and a perfect break from the heat. At Myall Beach, time slows down. During low tide, you can walk way out across the sands with forest-covered headlands rising around you. It's one of the most photogenic places I've seen, and sometimes you can have the whole place to yourself. Just you, the wind, and the waves. The Madja Boardwalk is one of those short walks that leave a big impression. Surrounded by giant ferns, twisted vines and towering palms, it's like a rainforest fairy tale. Everything feels ancient. It's quiet, green and alive. And the elevated boardwalk helps protect the delicate forest floor as you explore. If you're heading to the Daintree, here are a few quick tips. Some roads are only accessible with four-wheel drive, especially past Cape Tribulation. Guided tours are definitely worth it, especially those led by Indigenous guides who can share cultural stories you won't find in guidebooks. Bring with you sun-safe sunscreen, insect repellent, water and decent shoes. And more than anything, go slow. This isn't a place you rush through. Just let it unfold. The Daintree Rainforest isn't just a destination, it's a story. One that is still being written by nature, wildlife, and the world's oldest culture. It's humbling, it's magic, and something that every traveller should experience at least once. If you enjoyed this journey, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out the links in the description for more travel inspiration and helpful information. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next adventure.